Hello, I am Hatsune Miku. Nice to meet you. Are you a capybara?
Can I dance for you?
Yeah, you can dance for me. Despacito. Yo, nice.
Hey friends, welcome back to yet another amazing video. Today I'll be showing you an amazing AI based voice changer which is simple yet efficient for both gamers and streamers. You can download it from the link in the description below. Upon opening, you need to install an AI voice module which acts as an engine to power your voices. It offers more than 300 voices from multiple domains and an inbuilt soundboard for you guys. Choosing a voice is really simple. Select a category. For me, I'll go with AI voices, and over here you guys can also mark your voices as favorites. Like I'll be choosing Hatsune Miku right over here. Let it initialize the voice changer module. Slide and adjust your volume and pitch and any sound effects if you would like. You can also hear yourself to ensure that you sound absolutely perfect and ready to go. Okay, once you're in your game, press your escape key and then head over to settings. Right over here, scroll a bit down until you find your input and your output device. For your input device, set it to your VoiceWave microphone, and once it is done, press your escape key and now you guys can talk with the players.
Hello. How are you guys? Hi everybody, how are you?
太是 NOT 啊！
I am tired of living this boring life.
And that is how easily you guys control your friends. Other than that, this software also has an inbuilt voice changer where you guys can simply drag and drop an already recorded file, or you guys can record right into it and change your voice in real time. If you guys are using Discord, head over to voice and video, and for the input device, select VoiceWave Virtual Microphone, and this is how you guys can use your voice changer right into Discord or Streamlabs. It is very simple and made for all users, no experience is needed, and it is very convenient because of the simple UI. You can check out for more features by simply downloading this for yourself by checking out the link in the description below. And do not forget to subscribe EaseUS for more amazing videos like this. See you later.